Hello mga madam, good morning. Hello. Yung itsura ko guys, parang nanay na talaga ako. Nanay. Ay naku, update. Wala pa akong bra guys. Kaya kasi it's already 11:31. We just had our breakfast. I made some breakfast. My husband tries to make a breakfast too, but I'll just prefer him to take care of the baby. And we're gonna assemble the crib, babe, right?
I'm gonna put everything together.
Yeah, my husband will just gonna put everything together, assemble the crib. Because we still didn't assemble because I thought my due date will be on 27th. Look at our baby sleeping in there. Look at yung bahay namin, guys. Our house looks so dirty now. Hi. Baby, thank you so much for one of my followers who gave this to us. It's really a big help. That, hi. Hello guys, natutulog siya. Gusto niya yung higaan na yan. The doctor told me, the nurse, that I cannot be in the kitchen for like 2 weeks, babe, no?
Huh?
I cannot be in the kitchen, like I can cook. But who will gonna cook for me?
Well, they said until the bleeding stops. So whatever that is.
I'm still having bleeding,
It's like
guys.
a week or two.
Yeah, but it's fine. I still didn't. I only slept for maybe 1 hour. But it's okay.
I'm gonna put the
We just need to be strong. Huh?
I'm gonna put the karaoke stuff in this room.
Yeah, it's okay.
Try to clean up in the middle.
Gilinis siya.
There's white sweater. Pretty
Aming bahay, oh.
These two.
Yeah. Wait, but it seems like slippery, no?
No, the bottoms have little grippers on them.
Maybe, yeah. I think so. It's fine. It's okay. Just put it in there. I'm gonna use it later. My husband is trying to be a housewife now. Naglilinis siya. Yung tiyan ko, guys, ang sakit. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag guys, sakit. Sakit pala sa no. Pag wala kasi ako masyadong gatas, I don't really have milk. So I just keep on doing it, pressing. But I'm glad that he tried this morning. So I have some milk. I think it makes him full. He was crying for how many minutes, and then when I did a breastfeed, he stopped, and now he's sleeping because he just circumcised. Here in the US, they perform circumcision once you give birth. It depends on the parents too. It depends on the parents if you want to do it. So we just did it. Yung tiyan ko, guys, masakit. So we order a binder para siguro para sa tiyan ko, binder na lang. Last night I took a bath. I just took a shower. Madali lang. Hindi ko lang binasa yung buhok ko. Yung nag-wash na ako ng face. Mabilis lang kasi hindi ako nakaligo since Friday. Friday naligo ako nung nanganak pala ako. Ay, sakit sa tiyan. Hindi ako na CS. I did a normal birth. Wala akong tahi. I don't have any stitches. Pero pala masakit pa rin minsan yung tiyan. Kasi yung uterus mo, yan yung masakit yung uterus mo, yung parang fresh pa sa loob siguro. Wala, nagising na naman siya. So mamaya yung friend ko, pupuntahan niya ako dito, magdala siya ng dahon ng bayabas. Olga, we're gonna bring me, babe, something. So,
Okay.
mabuti siya, nakatulog siya. Because my stepson was here last night, so I feel bad for him. So because the baby keeps crying, he needs to go to school. So we just dropped him off at his mom's house this morning. He keeps waking up.
What's that? Talking about what?
Yeah, he couldn't sleep. But it's okay. He loves his brother. He's excited. Ay, he's moving. You can just put the dishes in the dishwasher.
I do.
Right now, guys, I can tell that the dishwasher is really my friend now. Because you can really use it. Just put all the dishes in there. We'll just do it later, maybe because we're gonna eat lunch. Magagamit mo talaga yung dishwasher talaga, no? Pag manganak ka na.
What's this?
I bring it from the hospital.
You stole their cup.
Stole their cup, crazy.
Stole.
Yeah, show it to them, baby, give it to me. It's, yung cup na ininuman, kinuha ko. Kasi malaki, gagawin kong tabo. I'm gonna use it babe, to clean my butt. Ala. Ito, tatayo ako, guys, ha. And then this one, baby. I'll just put it in there.
I got it. Let me see.
Do we need, I'm glad we need to wash it in the dishwasher because
Oh, it says wash it in the dishwasher.
there's a, what is it, babe? To make it hot, sanitize. Don't wash it because I'm gonna use it in the bathroom.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nahagard na ako, guys. Sige na lang, pabawi tayo. Ngayon nanto kasi kakapanganak ko lang. Mga artista lang yan nag-glow up kasi mga yaya sila. Ah, may tummy. Galing pa to sa hospital. This clothes from the hospital. Sakit. Parang mabigat. Ano? Now I can relate, babe, to some people that they just give birth and then they can't even fix themselves. Their face. Now I can relate now.
What time's Olga gonna be here?
I'm gonna message her. Message ko yung friend ko, guys.
She's got the day off?
Yeah, it's her day off. So that's what she said. If you're gonna work, she's gonna be here. But I told her, you're not gonna work. So my husband, he got two weeks off.
2 weeks off.
Just 2 weeks off lang kasi kanina, he just go back to his work. But he's supposed to have 2 months off.
Take him off in the summer.
Pero summer, guys, may off siya 2 months. So we can use it to see his parents and maybe go in the Philippines. In God's will. Oh, baby. Oh, my baby.
Should tell, should come say hi to us and we go say hi to her. Our top thing. She messages me too. I never check my Facebook, so when I see it, I'm like, oh yeah.
Alam mo yung take this off from his hand?
Oh, let me. I'll get that off.
Don't cry.
I'll get it.
It's okay, I'll just go.
Here, you want that thing? I'll cut it off.
I'm gonna do it.
Want the scissors?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we'll do it. Alam mo, maybe you're safe doing it instead.
We'll just stop it from spinning back and forth. I'll do it. Turn it off. Now he's gonna get mad.
Careful, baby.
This back home for you.
He likes this.
Music going. I think I do from the remote.
What are we going to do with the door?
Let's do it.
Oh, it's covered.
Yeah.
There's music.
I'm trying to turn
Turn
it
on
on.
the music. Maybe.
Man, there's no music.
So you may music.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Calm down. It goes. That thing's going too fast. Let me turn it down.
Yeah. So, that's cute. Nag-CR ako mga madam. Mabuti na lang hindi ako nahirapan palagi kasi umiinom ako palagi ng tubig. Pero ngayon guys, try ko munang matulog kahit mga 1 oras lang kasi natutulog siya ngayon. Hindi talaga ako natulog. 1 hour lang talaga. Kung nagustuhan niya yung music na yan. Mahimbing yung tulog niya. Nakadidi na kasi. Busog na. Tapos naka-change siya ng diaper. Yung room namin guys, extra room to. Wala tong tao. Gamit ko ng mga ito lang ng diaper. Hello guys. So, nakatulog ako ng mga 1 oras. Siya tulog pa rin. Wait, hindi ko maano. Yung baby is still sleeping. So, magpaano kung mga madam, meron ako ditong hot compress or cold compress. Mabuti na alala ko kasi sabi ng mama ko pala, maglagay ako ng hot compress para yung tiyan ko hindi masakit kasi may dugo pa siguro na naiwan sa tiyan ko. Tapos sa breast hindi masakit kasi siguro yung gatas. Wait. Ano ko muna. And then iinom daw ako guys ng Coke. Yung Coke na malamig. Kasi sa hospital, binigyan nila ako ng Tylenol. Heating pad. Ano to siya? Kuryente. Ano lang. Ang asawa ko naglinis pa siya. Naglinis yung isang room. Let's get it warmer.
The scissors.
Huh?
What I do with the scissors?
I don't know because the last time you did, I remember you do it in his hand. Order kami guys ng gloves kasi wala siyang gloves pala. So yung friend ko dadalhan niya ako ng ginger, dahon ng bayabas, tapos Coke, yung Coke Zero kasi hindi kami nakapag-grocery bukas pa. So, nagpabili ako sa kanilang Coke. Lagyan ng madaming ice. Tapos, nagbili din ako guys ng adult na diaper. Kasi yung wala na akong dugo ngayon, wala na masyado. Pero kanina ang dami. Pero hindi siya bilog-bilog. Pero dapat sabi daw nila, dapat bilog-bilog. Ang init na. Nagsiswell yung aking legs sa anesthesia, sa epidural na nilagay. It's getting warm now, baby. It's good. Just until here, it covers your whole body. I'm glad I remember this. So good. Ang dami pa kaming labahin. Ayan yung arinula ko. Yung labahin namin, nilagay lang yan lahat sa sa ito bed to. Sa bed namin, queen size na siya. So, tinabi ko dyan kagabi yung baby. Kasi yung crib hindi pa namin na-assemble. Pero nilagay lang siya namin sa sa parang basket ng stroller. And then kanina in-assemble namin pa mabuti. Nagustuhan niya. Kanina pa siya tulog ng tulog. Mabuti nga. Agad mo, ang init. My husband is assembling, what does it call again?
It's called a sock.
To monitor the baby's heartbeat, heart rate, and I'm glad you remember that, babe.
I was just going through everything I forgot.
Yeah, and it will connect.
20 minutes to charge for 8 hours.
Huh? Oh. You're gonna bring that to your work? You can detect it in your work?
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna put the extra sock in there.
It's 2 pieces.
Just back up.
One for me? Ah, okay. Parang medyas. Ilalagay siya, o ilagay sa paa niya para ma-detect yung mga heart rate, yung body temperature, para kahit nasa work siya, maano niya, ma-update, maalaman niya. Nag-hot compress pa rin ako. Sa chan at sa breast. 2:48 PM na dito. Andito na yung friend ko, guys. Nanalan niya ako ng bayabas. Wait lang. Buti nag-hot compress ako. Helps. It helps with my tummy. Hindi na siya masyadong masakit. Yung sitwasyon namin, yung asawa ko parang na-paralyze yung likod. Ako masakit yung chan. Ayun ako. Nag-order na lang kami ng pizza. Hello! Coke Zero? Aww. We should put the baby in here.
I told my mom to get
Bayabas.
with fruits in it. There's
Ay, wow, yeah. I need to boil this. I'm gonna boil. Dapat pala, sabi sa akin, magano ko, ang hot compress, sabi daw. Nag-hot compress ako.
Yeah, you need
Sakit. Oo. Parang dito, parang feeling ko, parang may hiwa.
You want to bring him in the thing? Because I don't know if I can carry him right now.
And
then-
no, don't worry about it. You guys need to rest.
I've been moving stuff around all day now. My back is locking up. So
Naglinis. Just ordered pizza, guys.
Let's go get him, Mom.
You gonna get him?
You should.
Okay.
I'll carry him. You can carry him. I'll
Yeah.
bring the whole thing. Yeah, I just don't want to carry him like I did.
Okay. Kunin namin yung baby kasi natutulog. Natulog lang siya. Yeah, kanina pa siya natutulog. Wait. Babe. Friend ko, guys, ang hugas siya ng pinggan. I think he's just gonna sleep there. It's fine. But I feel bad. He's
I'll
old.
lay in here, but I want to watch him.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want that little seatbelt thing to shut him out.
I know. Where can he...
I don't want to wake him up, but I'm kind of worried about it.
I'm so warm. They don't have nice clothes, but right here,
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
everything.
I need to...
Over there is big, but it's kind of big.
The location is not good. Yeah.
And a lot of the underwear is not.
Yes. I think even the detergents. Yeah.
Meron pala malaki. Daw ng bayabas. Sarap. Umupo lang ako dyan, ilagay ko sa arenola. Linisan ko muna yun. Yung tubig, isalin ko sa arenola, tapos dyan ako upo. Or pag...
No. Get a tabo.
Ayaw.
Pag mag-ano ka, mag-ugas ka,
Ah.
after you pee, ugasan mo. Or you can,
Warm dapat or hindi, kahit ano lang.
kahit malamig.
Okay.
Yeah.
Panghugas pala, kala ko upuan ko na steam.
No. Panghugas mo. Hugas mo lang mo. Get a tabo and then.
Bayabas.
Okay, let me wash it. And yeah, after we boil natin, just separate something for you to some for you to
Nakaya pa ko. Nung ikaw ng anak ka, naging ganito din. Nung mga anak ka, naging ganito rin. Ilang araw. Sakit, akala ko.
less than a week.
Pero yung iba nasa Pilipinas, yung mga kapitbahay ko pag ang anak, parang wala lang pag umaga.
Ako ano lang, kaunti lang. Kasi maliit din.
Pero wala na, kanina, wala na masyadong dugo na lumalabas sa akin. Pero dapat sabi daw, mga 1 week pa yan.
Yeah. Siguro nga.
Dapat may dugo, dapat na lumabas sa akin na bilog-bilog.
Ako may bilog.
Sa akin meron, pero konti lang ang first day lang, yun lang. Ngayon wala na.
Normal yata yan eh.
Pero ang sakit.
Yeah, you just need to slow down, sis. Don't walk too fast.
Parang na-CS. Yung vlog pa rin ba? Thank you. Dami naman. Then, mango float. Ito yung last ko na gumawa. Last ko pala na ginawa. Tapos pagkagabi, pumutok yung panubigan ko sa kakagawa ng mango float. Magluto pa sana ako guys ng ng tawag doon. Ng baked macaroni. Wala na pala. Si Nia, hindi siya nakasama. Ay, may klase no? Monday pala ngayon. Ito yung mango float guys, oh. Apple mango yung ginamit ko.
Ako ngayon.
Pero yung iba, binili ko na lang ng dice na yung masakan. Yung mga mango. Dalhan mo mamaya sa bahay yung dami, hindi ko ito maubos. Meron pa ako dun. Ang daming mango. Tita Gemma, pupunta din siya dito, magluto siya ng
Sino?
ng may sabaw-sabaw. Tita Gemma. Ewan ko kailan. Sabi niya daw may sabaw. Sabi ko manghingi. Sabi nila, manghingi daw ako. Kung ano lutuin ko. Yung isda na pumpano, di ba masarap yan? Yung pumpano na isda. Yung malaki. Yung isda na pumpano. Tapos lagyan daw ng sabaw, malunggay, dahon.
Pag naboil na siya.
Oo. Dapat parang pulang-pula talaga bago siya yung siguro yun. Kasi nakita ko ganyan, diba?
Ano sila?
Sarap ng food. Guys, my baby is sleeping again. Parang maganda ako dito parang may filter. Maganda ako dito Baby is sleeping. No. Puti na naman siya. Kaninang pulang-pula. Camouflage. Naghahanap kami ng gloves. So tired. Little video, babe. We forgot. You know what, guys? We forgot to make a Christmas picture. I already give birth. We're supposed to have a maternity shoot for Christmas. But it's okay. Daddy's gonna watch him for a while. And then I'm gonna open... Wait. I'm gonna open this gift. Hello! Cute, cute baby! He's just sleeping. Hello, look at his face.
Breathing very good. These things are choking him out.
Oh,
Restrain his neck.
choke him?
Just you hear him trying to breathe. It's okay. It's okay.
Let me take a picture. Yan guys, ha? It smells like pizza. Sa mga damit, mga na-order ko sa Kohl's. Yung damit ko, galing pa to sa hospital. Ano na ako, mag-shower na ako after nito. Then mag-say bye sa aking vlog. Kasi mamaya mag-duty na ako guys. Maging zombie na ako mamaya. You really put it in a big carton na yung just only shoes and some clothes. A lot of people told me that I should not walk a lot. Huh? I cooked this morning. My husband don't know how to cook, so but you know what, babe? The people in the Philippines, after that, my mom, she already do the dishes. You know what the problem? No, you're fine. I don't trust my husband, especially in cooking. Maybe the egg, it tastes like salted egg. Okay, we're gonna open. So I bought this. No, it's so cute. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Nag-order ko nito guys, yung pang winter. Shoes. Kasi magpa-check. Ay, perfect. I bought this for like $30. Marami mga sale. Oh, perfect size. Yeah. Winter. Very good. I found the perfect size. Okay. Wala pa akong bra. Ay, haggard na talaga ako. Sige lang. Next week, I'll be more beautiful. I bought a comforter. Bed comforter. Set to siya with pillowcase. How's it I bought? Wow, leggings. I have leggings. Isa lang yung leggings na order ko. Kasi try ko pa kung maganda yung quality. Pag maganda, mag-order ulit ako. Ay, maganda siya. Ang ganda. Makapal. Kasi mag-leggings lang ako guys. Kasi malamig na dito. And then mag-boots. Mag-jacket. Which is good, babe. I'm gonna buy another one of this thing. Even this 3. Para kahit may 3 lang ako na ganito, okay na. Kasi hindi pa ako makapag-pants o leggings. Ay, perfect. 11.99. Maganda yung quality niya. May nabili ako last sa Shein kasi hindi ko na makita. Oh. Ano lang? 3. Yun lang naman pala yung dumating. Pero ang dami nilang ang laki ng box. Darrell. It's all yours. Want me to open? So, that's it guys. I'm so thankful na my friend ako na nandito. Pumunta siya to help me. Ayan. Siya na naggawa nag-dishwasher. Pinakuluan niya pa ako guys ng bayabas. Daw ng bayabas, ipang-wash ko. Ito oh. Madami. Ayan yung gagamitin ko mamaya. Panghugas. Daw ng bayabas. Kain din ako ngayon ng cantaloupe tawag dito. I-cover ko lang siya. Ay, babe. For the baby bottle, we need to order another extra baby bottle, and then the one that sanitize. They have one, the small one, in Amazon. We got one from Baby Registry. Yeah, I think we did. Need pala namin guys ng yung sa baby bottle para hindi na kami maglaga. So that we don't need to boil. Na lang. Iyan na lang pala. Lagay na lang sa sanitizer, tawag dun. Basta yun. And, kain muna ako guys ha. Yun lang yung kinain ko. Walang rice. Kasi wala naman akong ulam. And that's all for today's video mga madam. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is Marie Rose Vlog 2 with Blue Mark Chen. Bye everyone. God bless.